Hey guys, this absence can be explained. I was actually waiting for TOTSSF to get over. It's over now, but honestly, I was expecting a new event to start just after TOTSSF ended. That's evidently not happened. To be honest, was a little disappointed. So what we're going to be doing today, we're checking out Hazard, the event Hazard. Alright, so we're just going to check out how to play. Daily warm-up. Use your stamina to play a series of skill games and matches to earn Hazard points from the daily and weekly bonuses. Hazard. Spend Hazard points to progress through the pyramid and claim Hazard keys from other events to unlock legendary Hazard. So let me just go back to daily warm-up. We'll just go ahead and play a match. It's an 80 overall team that is literally not 18 overall below me, so it's really going to be a piece of cake. Let's see how it goes, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Why am I saying this now? I'm supposed to be saying it in the end of the video. My bad. So I've just changed my team kit to a Real Madrid jersey. Andre Silva, Henderson, Zardes. Actually, I looked him up. His name is Gyasi Zardes. I'm not sure that's the correct pronunciation. Just winging it here. And that's the goal. That's Kubo's goal. That's 1-0 already. So actually quite surprising. Not quite surprising, honestly. No, it's not surprising. Okay, let's just go ahead. Munir, Anselmo, Andre Silva. And nice few skill moves. And shot. Nice hard shot, and that's a goal. So you can see I changed my logo. Actually, I finished UTOTSSF, Ultimate TOTSSF. I finished that special event, and I actually unlocked the rewards for that was actually the UTOTSSF logo and a Hazard key. So I already have received a Hazard key, and I changed my logo. So yeah, that's about it, and that's a goal. I can't believe I just missed that. That was horrible. Honestly, that was horrible. Actually, during the course of the UTSSF event, I had gotten a new player, Andre Silva. Sorry, not Andre Silva. My goalkeeper, as you saw before, was actually Pickford. Okay, that was Pickford, but now I have honestly got a new player, and you'll never guess who it is, but it is Marc-Andre ter Stegen, the goalkeeper of Barcelona. So I was honestly very shocked when I got the player. I was actually hoping for not a goalkeeper, because I already had a goalkeeper who was one of the top players in my team. But anyways, no matter. So what I did with him is I upgraded his skill boosts to 7 skill boosts extra overall. So instead of a 96 overall player, he is now a 102 overall player, which is like awesome. So it was awesome. I have a 102 overall player actually, and that's the goal. That's Kubo's goal, second goal. That's his brace. Actually, I have 200 overall players in my lineup. One is, of course, Marc-Andre ter Stegen, and one is the one who just lost the ball right now, Andre Silva, who is back with the ball. He is a 101 overall player. Awesome. He was the captain, honestly, but since ter Stegen came along, he lost the captainship. Nice little save by the keeper. Another little save. Munir shouldn't have shot. He should have actually passed it to. I'm just going to pass back to Andre Silva. And that's the header. That's the goal. That's 4-1. Literally 4-1. So it is, honestly, I was not expecting them to score, but I sort of just, anyway, it didn't affect me much. It was 4-1. So just going to go ahead and play. Ball just rolling around there. And Kubo tackles. Playing time is almost over. Kubo, pass man. Pass. Yes, good boy. And Andres, okay, looks like that's not a foul. That's not a foul. That's not a foul. That was quite disappointing. It honestly looked like a foul, but I let the referee decide. And it's full time. That was awesome. It is full time. It was actually, I was actually expecting for a 6-0, 6-1 type of outcome. But honestly, I was kind of underwhelmed because I honestly did not expect honestly didn't expect an 80 overall to score against me. That's okay. That's about it for today, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep receiving notifications from ProDN Gaming. And I'll see you next time.